Bagong mugs, bagong shoes, bago din aking tato. Puhunan ay nilabas, sure.
At so yun nga mga kawatches, ito yung before yan, stock lang. Pero naka mugs and ties na rin siya, pero hindi siya ganun kalaki at di ganun kabangis yan. So yun, dito natin papagawa yung gulong mag shock. Ano natin oh? Subscriber. Ano pangalan ulit? Jean Cloud, oh.
Lopez, Justin.
So yun, bali mga kawatches, ito na yung ikakabit natin. Papalitan na to. Papalitan na to. Mas malaki to eh, makapal. Yung gulong nito nasa 38,000 isa. Plus mugs 80k. Suspension 130k ata to o 125. Di ko sure. Solid naman tong gulong na tong kapal oh. 38 eh nung isa. Pero mas malaki kasi oh, saka mas maangas.
But it's too late now. I remember you and me, and how careless we could be.
All day and all night, we'd stay up, it felt so right. We were so young, we were so dumb. We would get drunk and then hook up. We were okay, we were alright. Staying awake till the sunrise.
Just makikita nyo, layo ng diferensya, tumaas. So dito yan, pinagawa natin kay boss sa
Blackout Garage.
Yun o, ito yung owner nga pala. PM lang kayo sa page nila pag gusto nyo maging maskulado ang iyong kotse. Ayan. Thank you boss!
Thank you.
At so yun, kinabukasan din naman natin dito sa Man Auto Works PH yan para palitan ng itsura. Let's go. Gagawin na nila kuya yan. Ayun, pagdating agad, inuumpisahan na agad oh. Ayun ang maganda. Kakarating lang, inumpisahan na agad. Boss, kakarating lang, inumpisahan agad. Picturean na to? Yun lang, hindi pa ata nila na picturean. Yun o, shoutout kay Kuya. Followers natin to eh. Wow. Yun ang mga followers natin yung mga yan. At so yun nga, sabi ni Kuya mamayang gabi lang ay pwede ko nang balikan at magiging F-150 Raptor version 2 na yung mukha niyan. At yun na nga, gabi na yan na ito na yung pinaka-final yan. Napakabangis talaga nila kuya. Yan o, Man Auto Works PH yan o. Ang angas na ito lalo na pag sa personal. So yun mga ka-watchers, ito yung resulta. Napaka-angas o. Tingnan nyo naman, parang nag-iba na. So ito nga pala gumawa o. Sila kuya. Ayun. Solid. O boss, kayo na lang bahala. Hati-hati na lang kayo dyan ha. Shout out. Oh.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're driven. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Are you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Are you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Fight back.
So yun, what's up mga ka-watcher. So ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano ng mga pinalitan dito. Worth 650k plus. So Everest Tuluk F-150 body kit. So ito, bali pinalitan yung buong mukha niya. Hood, headlight, grill, bumper yan. As in buong mukha pinalitan yan. Para magmukha siyang F-150. So ito, pinalitan yung mudguard. Para sa putek. Gulong, malaking gulong. Mags. Ito, pakita mga burn. Shock. Palit na yan. Need palitan niya kasi pag hindi sasayad. So yun, ito. Sa video hindi siya masyadong mataas. Pero sa personal, tumaas talaga siya. Ayan o, hirap makakaya. So pinalagyan din natin ng step board. Automatic yan. Pag sinara, aangat lang din siya. So sa likod. Ayan, dito nilagyan din para sa putek. Pinataba. Ito, palit din tong brake light sa... As in, isang set na siya. Kasama na siya sa binayaran. Pag inapakan, so shoutout ba natin si Kuya Bern, ang cameraman. Let's go!